Discount Diva. I'm going to do 2 unboxings. One is going to be pinchme.com, but I got that. I got that. I think I got it Saturday and I opened it up on Sunday. And Birchbox I just got today. I didn't open that one up yet. So this is the pinchme. I'll do that one first. As you can see, if any of you do not know what it is, it's you do surveys, you do a profile on yourself, and you can get better boxes also. They have these other surveys you can do, and you get tokens, and you can get better stuff. But they do pinchme samples on, I think, every first Tuesday of the month, and you get. Let me see if they give any paperwork. Sometimes they give you paperwork, but okay. Not this time. This is what I got. I got Clark's Ultra Clean Lemon Twist. I think it's a white. That's what it looks like. You can see. It's worth a shot. Yeah, disinfecting wipes. That's a good one. They threw this in there. It's HelloFresh. You get a $60 gift card. I might use it, I might not. Because you give them away, I have so many of them. I haven't used them yet. This was interesting. I picked when I did a Tuesday. I think a month ago. It takes you a while to get these things when you get them. It's a cushioning. It's from Pete, if I'm pronouncing it right. Cushioning, Comfort E, Confidence, Medium, Soft, Advanced Blister Cap. It's worth a shot, especially when you get. It looks like something you peel off and you put it where it's like near the heel. I guess it's good when you try, when you get new shoes and you get a blister. And Fancy Feast. It's a can of cat food. Natural white meat with chicken and liver pate. You give it to someone that has a cat. I have a cat, but I don't feed her that kind of food. No offense. My cat's older, so she can't handle that kind of food. That's mostly the reason too. Not that I'm a cat food snob, but I want my cat to live a long time. So this says yes on it. And it's the Birchbox. You see, I have a scissor handy this time. How do they open easy? Maybe not. Let's see. There we go. It's a nice looking box. Oops, sorry for being that close up. If you can see it. It's kind of the lighting, I guess, in my... As you notice, I always do my videos mostly in the bathroom because the lighting is so good there. My bedroom. Comes with a card. It's another subscription box. I got a 6-month prepaid one for my husband for Christmas time, as I mentioned before. I forgot how much it was though. It's paid already in 6 months, so it'll be done. So I just have to cancel it. I might cancel it because I might try a different one. I heard it gets full size. These are just sample sizes, and let's get on with this. This is the beginning of a new Birchbox experience. And it'll keep getting better, sorry. We'll bring you more choices, greater value, and brands, and fun surprises along the way. We want you to have at least the best of the best. So, like it, hate it, we want to know. Text us. It tells you what you're going to get and what it costs for full size. And this is what it looks like with the paper. I mean, I think you can just pay monthly too, but we did a prepaid one for it to be easy. And what is this card? Oh, this looks interesting, this box. Looks like a good box. This is what card said. Oh, $15 off your next order. That's really what you buy. That's good. As a small thanks for being a subscriber, treat yourself to $15 off 60+ shop order. Use the code SAVE15 at the checkout. Okay. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for this. Okay, what's this called? Green tea concentrate cream. I wouldn't know how to pronounce this, so excuse me if I'm doing it wrong. I think it's EGCG concentrate cream. Has potent antioxidants cream. Let me see what they tell you what you get, and then I can see what exactly. I think it's for under your eye. That's what it looks like. Full size is $45. Packed with powerful antioxidants. ECGC found in green tea. Moisturizes, heals, and protects skin from environmental damage. Maybe it's all over. I might have to look online, but I think for your face, that's what it sounds like. So this is what it looks like. Let me see how it smells, and hope this box don't fall over. Let's see. It smells nice. I'm very sensitive. I have very sensitive skin, so yeah. Then you can put that on your questionnaire. That's another thing when you sign up for it, you do a questionnaire so they know what not to send you. And this one is called from Clarence, if I'm pronouncing it right. Water lip stain. That's nice. Actually, that's something nice. I always want to try that company. There are things about it. Let's see. This is how it comes. Everything's usually small. Sometimes they give you one big size item, but let's see what it looks like. I have lip color on, so no, it's not my kind of color. I'll probably give this to my friend. Whatever I don't like, I give to my best friend. And let's see what it says wherever I put the card. Sorry for the close-up. Clarence, if I'm pronouncing it right. Sorry if I'm not. Water lip stain. Red water. Full size $28 lip color. This is budge proof, so I guess it stays on. Needs no touch up. Is red shade with accent with hydrating formula that makes it feel like a treatment. Sounds nice. Francine will love it. This looks interesting. Surprised they gave 2 lip. Go Grande Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick. Metallic semi-matte. This looks interesting. How much is this? $25. Says this cushionary liquid. Sorry, I can't talk today. Cushionary liquid lipstick makes lips appear plumper 3 to 5 minutes. Semi-matte red metallic color. Well, tell me it's another red color. I hate red on me. Oh, please tell me it's red. What a nice packaging. This one is actually a good box. Oops, upside down. If you can see the color. Let's see. Hope it's not red. I hate red. It doesn't look good on me. No. Let's try it now. It's dark. And then I'm doing it fast. It's not a bad color. I'm just gonna go too heavy on it because I don't like things too dark. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry, doing it close up. It doesn't have a bad taste. You ever hate lipstick that have a bad taste? This is nice. I'll keep in this one. This one's nice. So I think this is the last. This was a pretty decent box, but I'll give my friend one thing. She'll be happy. I got a whole box I gotta give to her. Jean Auto. I could probably not pronounce it because it sounds very French. Soothing balm. Let's see what it smells like. It smells a little lighter. I got something else from them that I'd probably give it to my friend. It was so perfumey. I don't even know if she's gonna like it. I have to ask her first. It's really popular, and I can't think of the name of it right now. And I had to wash it out because I have asthma too. So let's see what the card said. I lost train of thought. That's $30. Prep damp hair with style and grain with tiny molecules each time. It's called number 4. I don't know if I got everything. Oh, here's one thing I didn't see. Of course. Oh, there's 2 things I missed. They always give mascara. They give too much mascara. But it's MAC. Extreme Black Light. I think I'll give it to my friend. I got so much mascara because I keep getting mascara. I wish they didn't give me mascara so much. Wish I could just tell them no more mascara. I guess you can, but this is Marcel City Tinted Cream. What's it gonna say? It's a decent box. In some boxes. It's a tinted cream supercharged with antioxidant green tea aloe. Well, my friend's getting this. I'm very allergic to aloe because, you know what? I think I put that in there. I'm allergic to aloe. But out of all the boxes, it's the only one that had aloe in it. Going to Francine. Francine's going to be very happy. I'm giving her a few things. That's how many pieces do we get this time? We usually get about 5. There's 1, 2, 3. I can't even count them. There's 3, 4, 6. Actually, I guess sometimes you get. They always give you this gift actually. So I think this is the full size thing. I'm interested in if it has hair in it, stuff for hair. I want it, especially with my wavy hair. So it's pretty good. It's a decent box. I think they're trying to improve. A lot of those subscriptions companies have, there's always people complaining. I noticed on Instagram about something. I guess they're hard to handle because it's really big. And everybody does it now. I mean, now they give you a coupon, so that helps. They want you to buy through them, so that, helps them grow. I love to get some more subscribers and make my channel grow. I do all kinds of videos. I do hair videos. I do hair color. I do a lot of discount shopping. So if you have any stores you would like me, if I have it in my area, I'll just gladly go and do a video. And thank you to the ones that have subscribed to my channel. Click on the bell if you haven't, so you can know my upcoming videos. I am losing train of thought a lot today. So I'll see you soon. Probably do a new video soon, maybe on the weekend, if I go to any good stores. Alright. Probably going to do a Macy's Kohl haul soon, because I've been looking there. They have a lot of sales, and I still have a gift card with Macy's, so I'll gladly show you that. So have a good day. Talk to you soon.